Hello everyone, Valerie from Celestialites Gifts here. It's day 13 of August for artists, and I'm going to tell a little story of how I learned fluid art. My Facebook feed started showing different fluid art techniques, and some of the early artists that I started to watch and recognize were Olga Solby, Julie Cutts, Canella Sirocco, Rinska Duna. I hope I'm saying that right. And so when I finally did start practicing fluid art, I wanted to do the Dutch pour. That was my first love. And shortly after that, I found the Shelee art bloom technique. So I learned how to do this style, which is the Shelee art bloom from Shelee Carruthers. She's an artist in Australia. Her course is at sheleeart.com.au. I'll put that in the description of this video in case you're interested in taking her course. I'll also include a discount. And I'm learning other techniques. I just took the Art of Making It. It's a textured art course. And at Thick Palette, I believe her name is Lauren, and Vienna Storm Studios, they put this course together. So hopefully you'll be seeing me do some textured art pieces in addition to blooming. Another course I've taken is Josie Lewis's Thick Acrylic course. I've taken a resin course. So that's my story. What is yours? How did you get started with fluid art?